Former Brunswick District Attorney Jackie Johnson was in court today ahead of her January trial.
Johnson is charged with interfering with the 2020 police investigation of the killing of Ahmaud Arbery. She's accused of using her power as a high-profile prosecutor in Glynn County to help Greg McMichael and his son Travis McMichael, who are both now serving life sentences. Our Christina Burgess is joining us right now. And Christina, let's talk about what happened in court today.
Yeah, guys, well, both the prosecution and defense argued about what evidence they want to be used in the January trial. They disagreed about the use of Jackie Johnson's past prosecutions, her status as a high-profile former prosecutor, and the Attorney General's involvement in this upcoming trial. Former Brunswick District Attorney Jackie Johnson appeared in front of a judge for the first time since being charged by a grand jury in 2021. Johnson is accused of using her power to protect Greg McMichael and his son Travis McMichael by urging police not to arrest Travis after he fatally shot 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery in 2020. During Wednesday's hearing, the prosecution asked the judge to not allow the defense to use any of Jackie Johnson's high-profile cases or electoral successes in the trial. Her lead defense attorney, Brian Steele, pushing back.
There's no prejudice, and it's part of the life of Ms. Johnson, and we anticipate bringing in the fact that she was appointed by then Governor Sonny Perdue. We're not doing it for popularity. We're doing it because that's characteristics of her life.
In another motion, Johnson's defense asked the judge to disqualify Georgia Attorney General Chris Carr, since he wants to call Carr as a witness in January.
I don't believe that it is within the law to allow a prosecutor or any lawyer to also be a witness, and it's a material witness in the case.
The prosecution disagreed.
You can't just subpoena the constitutional officer and put them on the witness stand. There are certain protections to that.
Judge John R. Turner didn't issue any ruling in court Wednesday, but said he will have written orders on these motions by next week. Jury selection for Johnson's trial is scheduled to start January 21st. Both the prosecution and defense told the judge they expect this case to take about 2.5 weeks. If convicted of violating her oath of office, she could face up to 5 years in prison. Christina